Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Ogden, Utah, Riverdale. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. Located off Interstate 15, this Riverdale Motel is just 1 mile from Hill Air Force Base. It features a seasonal outdoor pool, laundry facilities and free morning coffee. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Cable TV with extended channels, a work desk and a private bathroom are provided in every room at Motel 6-Ogden, Riverdale. Select rooms include a microwave and refrigerator. Riverdale Motel 6 offers a 24-hour front desk and free on-site parking. Guests can relax on the sundeck during the summer months. Weber State University is 5 miles from this motel. Union Station Museum and Golden Spike Arena are both within a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.